Hi guys, do you want your kids to learn English as early as possible, even if they are babies? And they will learn second language or English even if you don't teach them? Do you want to know the tricks, tips, strategies on how to teach them and let them learn English as early as possible? Keep on watching this video and we will dive to the topic that will help new moms, aspiring moms nga they want their kids, their children to learn English. So, or parents, couple that are planning to teach English or second language to their kids. So keep on watching this video and we will dive into the topic. So disclaimer, so everything I said here are based on my experience. The tips, strategies, and tricks that I've made are based also of the things that I encounter. That's why I make a solution to the problem that I encounter. And also in here, you will discover the do's and don'ts, the advantage and disadvantage of learning and teaching your kids second language or English language as possible. So guys, before I will goes to those tips and tricks, so I will be giving you a hint before first. So if I cannot finish some of the topics here, so it will be definitely carried out to the next topic because I have only limited hours or time, guys. So paki-busy-busy brother. Okay. So guys, by the way, this video is not cut or not edited. So there might be only a filter to the video, but it is not edited. It is because I don't have time to edit and I don't have okay. So I just want you to share the whole video without cuts. Also to inspire the moms, other moms or parents out there that imperfection will become perfect or will lead you to become perfect or to make you better if you keep on practicing. So this is also my way of practicing English together with my kids. That's why this is titled Learn with My Kids. Okay. So the going back guys, so my purpose of why I teach my kids English language is because I believe that they can use it in their future endeavor, and also based on my experience when I was high school and when I growing up, so I experienced how important learning English learning English as one of their subject or one of the things that they must learn. So it's a must, guys, especially now that we are in global international communication. So let's teach them second language so that in the future they will be competitive. They can also thrive in their own. So uh, that's why I let them learn English because I know how useful it is. So when they are still baby, guys, so we tips for you. So when they are still baby, I let them listen to nursery rhymes using my cell phone before, and then since we have signal, I let them watch um, TV program like uh, English TV program, like I let them listen to like Dora when they are growing up, when they can already understand, like when they are 1 year old and they can already see the screen there. So I let them watch. I also watch, guys. That's also my purpose. So the baby is there. I am here sewing. That's why I don't have enough time to I was busy in that time, so I'm a little guilty as a mother. So busy-busyhan, guys. Okay, so I put my baby crib. I am here, and as I am sewing, and I let her listen to nursery rhyme growing up, and sometimes during sleep or before sleep, let her. I tell her story. So I like storytelling. I have a book, or sometimes I just make a book of my own. Sometimes also I sing English song, English song, just making my title. So to make them sleep. So that's how I do, and I teach them English, guys. So as of now, di pa dahil. So, baby pa sila na, guys. So, by the way, I am Bisaya. So, be also patient with some of my diction here. So, you might think, kahia po na yung English. Oy. Okay. So, I am Bisaya, guys. That's why you might notice my English is not very well uh, furnished. So, I'm Bisaya. Okay. So, this is kini sa atong topic. I will stop the topic here, and the next time I will be bringing you some of the tips, trips, and strategies next time. If I will be having time, I will to share to you guys so that you will be also aware. Okay, so good night, good day, and have a wonderful day to everyone. So please, if you want to learn more, like, share, subscribe, and share this video if you want to help some of the parents out there to also learn, and they will not feel difficulties the feel the difficulties that I have experienced on the way, so they will be also aware. Okay, so see you guys on my next video. Have a nice day.